By 2030, greenhouse gases from buildings must be reduced by 55%. No later than 2045, all buildings must be climate neutral. We need to take action now. At Paul, we harness the underestimated potential of heating systems in buildings by optimizing their energy flow to achieve maximum energy efficiency. We do this fast and cost neutral. Our vision: we aim to transform the real estate market, solving one of our biggest problems, high CO2 emissions of buildings. But how? By creating cutting-edge technologies and interconnecting smart hardware and software, we minimize the emissions of properties, thus maximizing their value. With the assistance of artificial intelligence, we reduce energy use, heat requirements, and emissions, and make your building climate-friendly. All this without any investment costs. So how does Paul work? This visualization shows the diagram of an average multiple-party building. To start with, the hydraulic pressure in all pipes is set correctly, and the system is working efficiently. Paul's built-in sensor technology continuously monitors the measurement data of all pipes in the system. However, there are constant changes in the demand for heat and therefore in the hydraulic status of the system. For example, due to vacancy, weather changes, and other factors. This can lead to inefficiently high temperatures in the heating network. Paul's AI registers these problems and regulates the system entirely automatically using built-in actuators. These are smart valves that adjust the volume flow, thereby optimizing the hydraulic pressure in the system. As a result, the system is running efficiently again, and energy is saved. As an energy innovator, we recognize savings potential, reduce your financial risks, thus increase returns by decarbonizing and digitalizing buildings. With Paul, everyone wins. The climate, the residents, and of course you as the owner. We are Paul, your partner for a sustainable real estate future.